Hi everyone, welcome to Management 650. Hope everybody's doing well. This is Helen, and this week we are going to be talking about probability. I'm going to review with you the law of averages and the law of large numbers. So let's take a look at a couple of scenarios. Over the past few days, the stock market has experienced some impressive increases. An investor decides to pull her money out of the stock market because she believes we are due for a correction. Some would say that the investor's action reflects a short-term rather than a long-term strategy. And here's a scary scenario. A travel agent urges a long-time business traveler to book a flight on an airline that has recently experienced a crash landing. The travel agent advises the traveler that it is unlikely that an airline will experience 2 crashes within a 2-week period. Both of these individuals are applying the false principle termed the law of averages. We need to remember that each of these events is independent of the other. The probability that an airline will crash or not crash, or that the stock market will decline or rise, is not altered by a recent event. In behavioral finance, this belief is sometimes called gambler's fallacy. The gambler who just lost money on 3 spins of the roulette wheel may continue to gamble in hopes of recouping his loss. But what he doesn't understand is that each spin of the roulette wheel is independent of the other. He has no guarantees. But what he keeps thinking is that he will balance out the sequence of losses with a win. In other words, he's owed a win because there have been so many losses. All of these scenarios are based on events that occur during a relatively short time period. So this is something that we need to keep in mind when we're studying the law of averages. But what happens when individuals make conclusions based on observations that have been gathered over a long period of time or that have occurred numerous times? Then we can apply the law of large numbers. In the law of large number, the larger the number of trials, the closer the conclusions will be to the population mean. Since we are collecting large samples over a longer time frame, the law of large numbers provides a more consistent, reliable view of events. And we're talking about gathering observations over 10 years, possibly long time periods, 1,000 trials. So we're really gathering a large sample of observations. To better understand these two principles, I recommend that you review pages 186 through 187 of the text, and also take a look at problems 18, 19, and 20 in Chapter 7 of the text. And if you still need any clarification or I can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to contact me or any of the tutors. We are here to help you.